Hi, Sketch Lab friends. Let's draw a cute drippy cheese pizza. Let's get started. So today we're going to start off with a circle, and that's going to be the eye of our pizza. And inside you're going to see we're going to have two circles, one larger and one smaller. I'd have to say my best pizza where I live is Ferrari's Pizza. It's really good New York style pizza. And if you've ever been to Italy, they always have, every block I think has at least 3 amazing places you can get pizza. Alright, look at that, guys. We're already off to a great start. What's going on with this little pizza dude? I think he's checking out our artwork. Alright, so I think he might be checking out the proportions, maybe? I'm not sure. Alright, so the mouth, we're going to start off with these 2 lines that curve down. Pizza time! Alright, we're going to go ahead and curve a huge line down, big line that curves down. And then for the tongue, we're going to draw that line that curves up. And we can go ahead and fill that in. Now, I put pepperoni on my pizza, but you can add whatever toppings you want. I'm sure you guys want mushrooms on there, right? Maybe some, anchovies. All those great toppings on there. Oh, and don't forget about pineapple. I can't believe I should have put some pineapple on my pizza. So, as Argyle says, you gotta try it before you deny it. Have you ever tried pineapple on your pizza? It's actually really good. So we have these lines that curve up. Aww, yeah, we love pizza. So you can see the shape of the pizza is like a triangle, but we're gonna save some room at the bottom to draw a few little drips. We're gonna make this cheese a little drippy today, guys. I like my cheese drippy, bro. Alright, here's our first drip. Look at that line that curves down. Then we're going to have another drip next to it. You got to give a drip a friend, right? Drips need friends too. Yeah, see? We need a drippy cheese pizza friend. Everybody needs a friend. So look at that, we got some pepperonis on there. So like I said, add your fresh toppings, your ingredients, what you like on your pizza. Maybe you like gummy bears. I'm not sure. But I do love gourmet pizza, by the way. It's hard to find, but it's very good. Well, good job, guys. You did it. You made a drippy cheese pizza. You could add some extra details. We could add some rosy cheeks on there. And then have some fun with coloring today. Well, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.